The management of Rude Boy, promoter of the Rude Boy original drink that is at the center of public outrage, says all the controversial billboards have been removed. In a statement, the company said it acknowledged the concerns raised and that no offense was intended. Rude Boy faced backlash over the billboards that were erected in sections of Kingston and St. Catherine, promoting an alcoholic beverage branded Rude Boy Original. The billboards were erected in Rockfort, East Kingston and the Spanish Town bypass in the vicinity of Food for the Poor. It featured a suggestive image of a woman's legs raised in the air with an alcoholic bottle positioned between them. The billboards sparked widespread criticism from commuters, parents and social media users who described the advertisement as vulgar and inappropriate for public display. The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation said the billboard in Rockfort was removed within 24 hours after it was brought to its attention.